global warming issues is popular, energy saving become the first priority issues of the world. Cherish the earth is the future of human common problem. Yongshun Li, established in 1989, dedicated to the promotion of tofu, soy milk, and other food, qualified safety standards, and fully automated equipment, in addition to actively develop the application of technology, but also the computer PLC control monitoring into production equipment to help customers achieve production automation management goals. Every year, the world averages 42.5 kilograms of meat consumed each year. In order to produce meat, 51% of the world's greenhouse gases have been emitted. So, Yongshun Li committed to promoting soy vegan food. The machinery automation, quality control to HACCP requirements, and passed CE certification. Yongshun Li provides global consultancy services for sales and engineers and provides solutions for customers' production equipment from a professional point of view. We promote the turnkey production line with QC control, which can save effective energy and increase production capacity, fully automated equipment cutting, concentration control system, CIP cleaning, etc. Fully qualified customers' requirement and market needs. Yongshun Li Food Project Engineers team to provide customers with professional turnkey production line planning, from R&D to manufacturing, to the inspection machine and quality control, assembly and shipment. Yongshun Li teams have strict control of all processes, have a rapid and completely installation operations, and provide professional technology transfer teaching. Yongshun Li provides logistics maintenance services, 24-hour online troubleshooting services to help customers solve unexpected problems, such as machine failure to ensure the production of the machine back to normal. Yongshun Li Food Machinery Services marketing more than 40 countries around the world, so that soybeans become a delicious cuisine on the table. Love the earth and make a contribution to environmental protection.